There's a learning of how to be more still, or the practicing rather. Something very important to do that for myself. I don't want to just start lecturing again and telling people about that's the way and you should be doing this and that. And the other, of course. But yeah, it ultimately begins within myself. The transformation of this world begins from within myself. Of course, it begins within each and every one of us, but again, as I'm speaking here, just want to make a couple of small steps here. To begin in that process and possibly lead the way. And others also become inspired to do the same thing in their day-to-day affairs. How to be more aware of that. And instead of reacting to what's happening without thinking, and many times it can become this knee-jerk automatic reaction or a reflex. It's very important to recognize the silence between the notes. Which is one thing my father always told me, and as a child I did not really understand what he meant by that. And as an adult, in my mid-40s, I learned a little bit about that, the importance of that, to slow down. I'm still working on it. I think I've gotten a little bit better. Definitely I still got a long way to go. Yeah, that's the difference between knowing something and doing it and living it and putting this awareness into practice, which is exactly what Realize to Actualize points to. So yeah, let's begin. Slowly, let's gradually begin on that process, one step at a time. And this is a completely new awareness, a new consciousness for all of us. And in order to move forward in that awareness and to consciously transform ourselves, and through which we then transform this world, we need to find our own pace and to develop on that pace, to develop ourselves. Which is something we never learned. I mean, I don't want to repeat myself here again, but just for the sake of just taking a moment here to just remind you of the obvious about, as we come into this world, we were just programmed to be passive, to retain information in order to fit the mold, to fulfill a function. Which is how we forget. And we develop a nature, a socially conditioned nature, which is not really our true nature, our genuine nature. It's something that we seem to have forgotten in the hustle and bustle of our modern existence. It's all about the material and the stuff, the things, the material things, and of course the opinions and the values which we all attach ourselves to. What is that really compared to the true nature of things and how things naturally grow and unfold?